Today I am going to share very easy and delicious Potol Vorta recipe. Potol, 500 grams. Clean and washed. Cut very thin slices. If you cut thin slices, takes less time to boil. Done. Transfer to the pan. Water, a half cup. Salt to taste. Some green chili. Cover and cook 7 to 8 minutes. Stir after sometimes. Cover again. Garlic cloves, 10 pieces. Small shrimp, a half cup. Mustard oil, 3 tablespoons. Stir and mix. Fry 2 minutes. Done. Mash everything together. Dry roasted chili 3 pieces and onion 1/4 cup. Salt as required. Crush the chili. Coriander leaf, 3 tablespoons. Mustard oil, 3 tablespoons. Mix together. Some red onion on top. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.